welcome back to my channel. This is Ashani. I'm back with a new video. I feel like it's taking me like forever to film today. Anyway, I am back with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I know Valentine's Day is like, well, February is on the corner, so why wait? My fucking wisdom tooth is bothering me so bad. Anyway, I'm sorry I was not able to film last week. I got super sick, like the sickest I ever got in like probably years. Like allergies, almost got the flu. Wisdom tooth is pushing through. Like it was like a lot. And then I was just like, I felt like I was really, it's like everything was hitting me at one time, and I'm just like, can sis get a break? I'm feeling better than ever. Besides, my wisdom tooth is bothering the out of me, like especially when it comes to me eating and stuff like that. Like, you know, like opening my mouth, like if I wanted to eat a big sandwich, probably can't. I don't know, like it's just it's annoying me right now as we speak. Like it's throbbing. Wisdom tooth is pissing me off, but guess what? We're gonna film, we're gonna do a look, we're gonna look fire, right? We're gonna get into this look right here. I wanted to film a poppin' makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. Usually my Valentine's Day looks are actually on February, or I mean a week before Valentine's Day or the day after. I decided to like do it now because why wait? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, you know, like good stuff. So yeah, let's get into this look. Okay, so I'm gonna be in between two. Am I gonna be in between? Yeah, I'm in between two palettes. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild palette. I have a review on this palette. I will link it in the description box. These are the colors. I think I probably only used two colors in this palette, along with the Carity palette. Y'all know I love this palette so much. This is one of my faves. And I'm just gonna be in between, so if I forget to tell y'all which palette I'm going back into, then y'all just know the two palettes that I'm using. Go into this nice deep purple shade at the bottom. We're gonna go into this shade right here in the palette. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Carity palette. Is it this palette I use? Yes, and we're gonna go into Lumber. This is a nice hot fuchsia pink right here. And we're gonna just blend out the edges. I have an in-depth talk through, step by step, cut creasing video. I will link in the description box and I will pop up in the cards. Okay, after 20 minutes I got my crease cut. Now what I'm going to do is this is a trick it's not really a trick, but it's what I've really been doing lately, especially when I'm doing all matte eyeshadows. I love to set my lid instead of just popping on the matte shade. Usually when you pop on a matte shade onto a cream, it can crease just like when you do your under eye, but I don't want my under eye creasing, and I definitely don't want my eyeshadow creasing. So we are going to set the lid, being that I just put concealer on it. We're going to set it with you can use any under eye powder. It could be something that you don't set your under eye with, that you want to set it with your concealer. Either one, but I suggest that you set it so that you can have a better canvas. And usually I only do it with matte shades, but I started doing it with shimmer shades too. It just became a habit. So I just basically set the concealer, because it's like you setting it twice. So I just set this with a concealer, with a powder. I set my concealer with this powder on my lid so that throughout the day everything can look seamless, because you know your eyes do crease, especially when you look up, when you look down, all this good stuff. And you don't want your eyeshadow creasing on you. We don't want that. So we're gonna just basically smoke out the outer first, and I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade here. And then once I smoke it out, I'm gonna add the peach shade on the end. Now the peach shade that I'm using is going to be in the Carity palette, and it's called Cancun. It gives you like summery island vibes, but it looks different in the pan than it does, because here it looks like a baby pink, in my opinion. So it depends on your skin tone of what it's going to pop up as. I basically go into the Wet n Wild, and I go in with this nice off-white shade right here, and it just came out perfect. I'm gonna go in with these two liners right here. This is the black liner from NYX, and this is the Vivid liner. I am back. I got lashes on. I got my wig popped on. Like, no funny shit. Not to be cursing, but I'm feeling the curls. Like, I had to bring out my 90s curler. The thing is broke. Like, I had to bring it out, you know. Good thing I kept my curlers, because at one point I was throwing all my curlers out, and I was like, it's flat iron. Like, it's all about flat iron. It's not like nobody cares about curls, but these curls are fire. I did these, well, I did half of the head yesterday, like last night, until I couldn't take it no more, and then I did the rest this morning, and it's still fire. I put no product in this hair. I just basically curled it, and I freaking love it. I don't know, I feel like the lighting is crazy, but this looks so good with the eye look. Like, it's just so fire. I will have details on this wig in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Everything you need, everything you want to know will be in the description box. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Y'all been rocking with me since day numero uno. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get y'all 2 videos this week, because I was MIA last week, but I was sick. I wasn't playing games. This was like really under the weather, okay? Despite my wisdom tooth is effing with me, other than that, I am a-okay. I'm 1000% good. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to keep coming back to this channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Am I forgetting anything? But this came on fire. I see you guys in my next video, and we about to get into some slow-mos, and see you guys later. I love you.